Hearing conservation. Objectives: define noise, provide the basic anatomy of the ear, discuss acute and chronic hearing loss, types of hearing protection, and audiometric testing requirements. What is noise? Noise is any unwanted sound. Noise is a byproduct of many industrial processes such as operating machinery, tools, or equipment. Exposure to high levels of noise may lead to hearing loss and other harmful health effects. The anatomy of the ear. Noise or sound waves are collected by the outer ear. The waves hit the eardrum and cause it to vibrate. Vibrations are sent through the ear bones to the cochlea. Tiny hairs, known as cilia, inside the cochlea detect vibration and send a signal to the brain. Please see the diagram below. Acute and chronic hearing loss. Acute hearing loss, which is temporary. This results from short-term exposure to noise, and hearing normally returns when away from the noise. Chronic hearing loss, which is permanent, results from exposure to a moderate or high level of noise over a long period of time, and as I noted, hearing loss is permanent. Types of hearing protection that we normally use. Earmuffs. Pros. They provide more protection at higher frequency than earplugs. The various NRRs or noise reduction ratings that are available, they're durable and long-lasting. They can be fitted on a hard hat and they are reusable. The cons. They have a higher cost. Glasses can interfere with the earmuff seal. They are uncomfortable in hot environments, and they must be cleaned daily before use to remain effective. Earplugs. The pros. They provide more protection at lower frequencies than earmuffs. They have various NRRs available. They are inexpensive and disposable. They can be custom molded for each individual, and reusable plugs are available. The cons. Hands must be cleaned before inserting earplugs, and improper insertion reduces the NRR effectiveness. Types of hearing protection normally used. Earplugs must be inserted properly to gain maximum effective. How to properly insert earplugs. Step 1. You roll the foam earplugs between your finger. Step 2. You pull the earlobe out and up and back. And then 3. You insert the earplug into the ear canal and allow it to expand for full effectiveness. Ear caps. These are not as common, but they are used on some occasions. The pros. They have various NRRs available. They're easy to insert. They may be used multiple times, and they are a good alternative for personnel who are entering and exiting noisy environments. The cons. They are typically more expensive than the earplug. Improper insertion reduces the NRR effectiveness, and NRR is normally lower than earplugs or earmuffs. Audiometric testing. Audiograms. Our hearing tests are required when personnel are exposed to noise levels at or above 85 decibels over an 8-hour day. Typically, personnel working during meal outages are not exposed to this level of noise. However, most meals require hearing protection to be worn in their facility. Personnel who work in facilities where noise is present at or above 85 decibels will be informed of the audiometric testing requirement. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please contact David Farrell, TRIASIM Safety Director, at dfarrell@triasim.com. The following page includes a 5-question quiz. Choose the correct response for each question. Send your responses to dfarrell@triasim.com or text 920-472-3092. Please remember to include your name with the email or text. An example of a response is, 1A, 2A, 3B, 4B, 5A. Then you would put your name at the end of the text or email, in this case, John Doe. Quiz. 1. Earplugs and earmuffs are two common types of hearing protection. A, true, B, false. 2. Noise is defined as any unwanted sound. A, true, B, false. 3. Acute or temporary hearing loss is caused by short-term exposure to noise. A, true, B, false. Noise or sound waves are collected by the inner ear. A, true, B, false. 5. Earplugs provide greater protection at lower frequencies than earmuffs. A, true, B, false.